So I'll be showing you how to insert a SIM card on your Nokia phone. So the first thing you want to do is switch off the phone. So just press this button once and then scroll down and select OK when switch off is selected. That's going to show the Nokia logo and switch off your phone. Now we don't need any SIM ejector tool here. You can just pop open the back cover and insert the SIM card. So if you look around the back cover, you should see an area with a space, and this space has been designed purposefully for you to put in a fingernail and pop the outer cover open like that. Okay, like that. And then once the outer cover is open, again you'll see another little space here, and this again is to put your finger in there and pull out the battery. Okay, now this particular unit is a dual SIM Nokia 106, and as you can see, it takes two standard size SIM cards. All right, so one goes here and another one goes here, SIM 1 and SIM 2 as it's labeled appropriately. Now I'm just going to insert one SIM card. Now since it takes since it takes the standard size SIM cards, you might need the outer casing that came with your SIM card packaging. Now normally SIM cards come in the full package, and what you do for most people is you remove the nano SIM card or micro SIM card from this outer case. And so if you can find this, then simply just find it and then put the nano SIM card back into the rest of the housing for the SIM card, so that it's now back to a standard size SIM card. And once you do that, you can now slide it into the phone. Now it's gonna show you exactly how the SIM card should be inserted. It should be inserted like this. Okay, so this is how you place the SIM card. Place it there and then just slide it under this little piece of metal into the phone. And this is for standard size SIM cards. Okay, so once you push it in there until it goes to the end like that, now you've inserted your SIM card. Now if you don't have this outer casing, I'll be making another video which I'll link down below on how you can insert a nano SIM card into your Nokia phone. But if you have this outer casing, then this is it. Put back the battery, put back the case. You just need to place it on top and then press it. Okay, on all angles, press it and until it's nice and it fits snugly onto the rest of the phone. And now you can long press on this power button to switch on your phone. Now it does ask for my SIM pin, which I'll provide immediately. There you go. And that's it. It's going to take a while to register my network. There you can see, and you can see we still have space for the other SIM card, which I did not put in. That's basically how to insert a standard size SIM card into your Nokia phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.